and welcome. In today's video, I will be explaining how to resize your canvas after creating it. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to the canvas button here on the toolbar, which can be found here on tablets and here on cellular devices. Select Change Canvas Size. Here, we can edit the width and height of the canvas. You'll notice that as I change the width, the height is also being affected. That is because we have the Keep Aspect Ratio button toggled on. Keep Aspect Ratio basically keeps the dimensions the same, so if we change the width, the height will also be affected. If we turn it off, we will be able to edit the width and the height without affecting the other. Whatever is in this blue rectangle will be what is kept after we hit the green check button. These arrow buttons down here basically decide which part of the canvas will be chopped off. So just remember, whatever is in that blue rectangle is what you will be keeping. But I'm just going to be hitting the red X to delete all my progress. The other, slightly faster way to resize your canvas is the trim tool, which is just like cropping an image in your phone gallery. You can also resize your canvas here, but this is the most advanced technical way to do it, so I don't recommend it if you're just looking for a quick resize. Under the Canvas tab, you can also rotate your art left or right. You can also flip your art on its axis, but I personally think it's faster and more user-friendly to flip it with the buttons in the Layers tab. And with that, we have completed my tutorial on the canvas function. For explanations of all the features on the ibisPaint X toolbar, check out my playlist. Please let me know if you have any questions about this feature or any other features at all. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day.